Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing well. I'm Smera Healthy Wali from the platform of Rehan Artificial Intelligence Teacher Training Institute Level 1. Viewers, welcome to all of you in another exciting TED Talks review. Today I am reviewing a very inspiring talk called The Power of Believing That You Can Improve by Carol Dweck. So, before we begin, let me briefly introduce the speaker first. Carol Dweck is a psychologist and researcher known for her work on motivation, achievement, and the concept of the growth mindset. Her research explores how our beliefs about our abilities can influence the way we learn, respond to the challenges, and develop. And this talk raises a very powerful question. What if our abilities are not fixed but can improve through efforts, learning, and persistence? So, viewers, let's explore the lesson I took from this inspiring talk. The first is the fixed mindset versus the growth mindset. The main idea of the Carol Dweck's work is the difference between a fixed and the growth mindset. She says that a person with a fixed mindset may believe I am either good at something or I am not. They may think intelligence or talent is something that cannot change very much. But she says that a person with a growth mindset believes that I can improve through learning, effort, practice, and good strategies. This does not mean that everyone will become an expert at everything. Rather, this means that our abilities are not necessarily permanent. We can develop, we can learn, we can improve, and this simple belief can change the way we approach challenges. Another important lesson of the TED Talks is that people with a growth mindset see challenges differently. When someone has a fixed mindset, a difficult task may feel like a threat. They might think like if I fall or if I fail, people will think I am not intelligent. So they avoid difficult tasks. But someone with a growth mindset may think that this is difficult, but I can learn from it. Viewers' failure then becomes feedback rather than a final judgment. So this is an extremely important lesson for the students. A challenge does not mean that they can not do this, but they have the courage to face the challenge. So, one of the other most memorable ideas connected with growth mindset is the word yet. Viewers, imagine a student who says, I cannot understand mathematics. We can change that sentence too. I cannot understand mathematics yet. Then the word changes the meaning. I cannot sounds final, and I cannot yet leaves the door open for the improvement. Viewers, the same applies to the learning technology. Maybe someone says, I don't know how to use AI. Instead, they can say, I don't know how to use AI yet. The mindset encourages learning, it turns a limitation into a starting point. So, this is a very important lesson of these TED Talks. Viewers, another key lesson is the importance of effort and persistence. Improvement does not happen overnight, it takes time. Whether we are learning a language, mathematics, teaching skills, or artificial intelligence, anything, we need practice. Sometimes we will make mistakes, sometimes we will feel frustrated, and sometimes we may want to give up. But a growth mindset encourages us to continue. So, effort alone is not always enough. We should also be willing to encourage our strategy, seek feedback, ask questions, and try new approaches. This is the smart way of learning. Viewers, finally, this TED Talk is a learning journey for me. As a level 1 student, who are learning artificial intelligence, I sometimes come across new concepts or tools that feel difficult. In the beginning, I may think this is too difficult for me, but a growth mindset encourages me to change that enough too. This is difficult for me right now, but I can learn it step by step. I can catch a tutorial, I can watch a tutorial, I can practice, I can ask questions, I can make mistakes, and then I can learn it again. So, this mindset gives me confidence to continue instead of giving up. I think growth mindset is especially important in the age of artificial intelligence. Viewers, as you know, that artificial intelligence is developing rapidly, new tools and technologies appear all the time. So, this is very important to learn the new technologies with great courage. AI can support our growth, but our mindset determines whether we are willing to keep learning. So, my important key takeaways of these TED Talks are: the first one is that our abilities can develop through learning and practice. Challenges can become opportunities for growth. The third lesson of this TED Talk is that failures can provide valuable feedbacks rather than defining our abilities. The word yet, which used in this TED Talk, is that the word yet can change the way we think about our limitations. And the last message of this TED Talk is that growth requires efforts, persistence, feedback, and a willingness to change our strategies. Viewers, these lessons are very valuable for the students, teachers, parents, professionals, as well as for the lifelong learners. So, if I talk about myself, I found this TED Talks very powerful. The Power of Believing That You Can Improve by Carol Dweck, extremely inspiring. The biggest lesson I took from his talk is that don't define yourself by what you cannot do today. Instead, ask what I can learn tomorrow. For me, the most powerful word from this entire concept is yet. I cannot do it yet. I don't understand it yet. I haven't mastered it yet. But I can learn, I can practice, and I can improve. Viewers, I definitely recommend this TED Talk to teachers, students, parents, and anyone who wants to develop a more positive approach to learning and personal growth. So this is all about today TED Talks review. See you in the next session soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Be healthy, keep learning, and use the AI wisely. Allah Hafiz.